Welcome back to Biomes. This time we are talking about the Hoh Rainforest. The Hoh Rainforest is a very large old-growth rainforest located with Olympic National Park within the state of Washington in the United States of America. The Hoh Rainforest is one of the largest temperate rainforests within the entire continent of North America, and is also one of the rainiest with an average of well over 300 centimeters a year. It is located within a national park, so it is fortunately largely untouched, which cannot be said the same for many of the other natural places in North America. It's also located quite close to the Canadian border, which also has a lot of temperate rainforest, and the town of Forks, Washington.
It's the skin of a killer bee.
It's also the ancestral home of the Hoh people, which is what it's named after, along with the Hoh River that runs through the majority of it. Now, there's a whole lot of history surrounding the Hoh people. They are still currently around, which cannot be said the same for many other indigenous groups in the Americas. Currently, the Hoh people are, as far as I'm aware, considered to be kind of a subgroup of the Quileute people, which, yes, again, the same ones from Twilight, even though that's definitely, I'm sure, not what they would like to be known for. The population of the Hoh people has decreased dramatically due to colonialism, but they are still around in many areas, including reservations. The most abundant plant life in the Hoh Rainforest are large trees, largely coniferous ones, such as this one, the western hemlock, as well as trees like this one, the Sitka spruce, as well as the Douglas fir. Western red cedar can be found there as well, which is a very important one in both logging and indigenous culture. There's also other types of trees, including this one, the big leaf maple, as well as the vine maple, and the black cottonwood. There's an abundance of non-tree plant life as well, including many types of ferns, including this one, the western swordleaf fern. Many types of mosses, including a bunch of different varieties of club mosses. There's also a bunch of different lichens, like this one, the lettuce lichen. Other lichens include this one, the witch's hair lichen, as well as the similar-looking old man's beard. Animals of the Hoh Rainforest include big guys such as this one, the Roosevelt elk, and slightly smaller ones like the black-tailed deer can be found there. Other wildlife includes things like raccoons, as well as minks, and even though fishers are locally extinct in the Hoh Rainforest, there are efforts being made to reintroduce them back into the area. There's a ton of different squirrels and chipmunks, including this one, the Olympic chipmunk, a subspecies of chipmunk native to the Olympic Park. The predators of the Hoh Rainforest include things like this one, the Cascades red fox, an endangered subspecies of red fox. There's also coyotes found in the area, and these guys, the Olympic black bear, another subspecies of black bear that is only found in the Olympic National Park and by extension the Hoh Rainforest. The Hoh Rainforest is also home to bobcats such as this one, as well as lynxes occasionally. And while more rare to see in the Hoh Rainforest, there are cougars, also known as mountain lions there, and the population is recovering after they'd been hunted largely out of the area, which is good. Old-growth rainforests, such as the Hoh Rainforest, are especially good spots for the endangered northern spotted owl, as well as a few other species such as the barred owls. Other birds of prey include things like the bald eagle, and this is actually a photo my dad took, not in the Hoh Rainforest, but up by where we live in British Columbia, but it's still a really good picture, so I might as well include it, but bald eagles are found in the Hoh Rainforest as well. Other birds include things such as this one, the endangered marbled murrelet, the much more common and not endangered American robin, a couple other songbirds like this one, the winter wren. There's also a favorite of mine, the Canada grey jay, which is not only found in Canada, as we know, it's found in places like the Hoh Rainforest all throughout a bunch of areas in North America. And, of course, the wonderfully majestic sooty grouse. The Hoh River that runs through the Hoh Rainforest and Many other small streams are a very important spawning area for fish, such as the Pacific salmon, amongst a couple other fish species as well, but this is one of the big ones that provide a whole lot of food for both the animals and the people that live in and around the Hoh Rainforest. A few different amphibians can be found there as well, including this one, the super cute Pacific tree frog, and the endemic Olympic torrent salamander, which again is only found in the Olympic National Park. Speaking of endemic species, there's multiple different endemic butterflies, including this one, the maca copper, and it's also home to a bunch of different snails and slugs, including our friend the banana slug. The Hoh Rainforest is a very beautiful area and thus is quite a popular tourist destination, specifically the Olympic National Park. Now, fortunately, because it is a national park, it is quite highly protected, which, again, the same cannot be said for all of the natural areas in North America, and it is open for tourists, but again, since it is such an old and unique forest, make sure to be respectful, and again, it is the ancestral area of the Hoh people, so be extra respectful when going there, respect the native wildlife, the native scenery, leave only footprints, take only pictures. That's the whole thing about visiting protected and beautiful natural areas.